Hi there, this is Sid. In this video, we are going to explain what is World Wide Web, and then we will know that how web has technologically advanced from Web 1, Web 2 and Web.3. Before we continue this tutorial, check out plenty of informative videos on our channel. Make sure to subscribe with notification bell icon pressed. Let's first find out what is World Wide Web. The web or World Wide Web is a collection of websites or web pages that are stored in web server. A web server is a computer that provides these services. Then these pages are accessed by people using PC, smartphones and tablets on the internet. What is URL and domains? You can watch the video link in the description. The internet, on the other hand, is not same as the web. Internet is the network of computers, laptops, smartphones, tablets, and tons of other devices all over the world. So the web is simply connecting people, while the internet is connecting computers and devices. Web 1 or Web 1.0 was started in 1990 and lasted till 2005. It is read-only, which means the content is pushed by one person or a company to a user. Web browsers are used to browse web pages. Netscape Navigator, Mosaic and Internet Explorer were one of the first web browsers, and it only consists of text and computer-generated graphic pictures. By the year 2000, Macromedia Flash gave rise to rich multimedia content, photos, music, and animation. The underlying technology widely used to develop websites was HTML and JavaScript. The computing power was primarily focused on personal computers having dial-up connection using a modem. Maximum bandwidth achieved was in kilobytes per second. Web 2.0 started from 2005 till 2016. It is two-way content pushing, means it is community focused. Both user and owner has the ability to read and write. This gave birth to content creators, development of web applications and e-commerce portals. YouTube blogs and wikis are few examples of what content creators can do. Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and content management systems are examples of web applications. Then we got e-commerce websites like Amazon, eBay, and payment systems. Major breakthrough milestone came for Web 2.0 when social networking sites and apps along with online gaming came. We also saw cloud storage and peer-to-peer networks like Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, and Dropbox. Never forget the mostly used Web 2.0 mobile platforms like Android and Apple Store. Some examples of underlying technology that is used in Web 2 is HTML5, Java, CSS, XML, virtualization for cloud computing. Web 2.0 has dramatically evolved and transformed the capabilities of how the interrelated computer devices and digital appliances work with the evolution of Internet of Things, which is also part of Web 3. Gigabytes per second of bandwidth was achieved, and 4G came into mobile broadband for mobile Web 2. Web 3.0 already started in 2016, is a decentralized autonomous organization, a multi-user virtual environment based on blockchain technology, where you can not just read or write, but also own things. You can monetize your own data with smart contracts. Currently, we have revenue sharing policy with YouTube and Facebook. Digital currency or virtual currency having digital wallets. Cryptocurrency is one of its subtypes. Metaverse is currently in developing phase, is an artificial intelligence or AI-driven fully virtual environment where AI will interact with you. For example, you can shop online and try touching and wearing clothes without even going to the store. You can play online 3D games in a football field or shooting players in a war zone without actually being there. It's cool, isn't it? So how are you going to do these things? You will usually interact with head movement using voice control in a hands-free virtual environment. The underlying technology for Web3 includes augmented reality, semantic web, or machine learning AI, 360 and 3D videos, and many more to come. We are going to see an immense amount of evolution in terms of devices. Among them are already there and very popular these days, like wearable glasses and smartwatches. Bandwidth has gone beyond 2 terabytes per second. The spectrum speed of mobile web is now 5th generation. 6G is currently under development as we speak. Web technology is evolving very fast as we speak. Based on my observations, my small assumption for the future of web is our personal web, which is apps and media on cloud storage, have become accessible anywhere using public Wi-Fi or broadband on almost any device. Our OS or operating systems are transforming gradually, and therefore we might see a dramatic shift of people moving towards web-based operating systems or web OS that provides enough functionality instead of traditional desktop softwares and applications. That's it, guys. Hope this tutorial has been very informative for you. Until next time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. See you next time.